What's going on, y'all? So if you saw my last video, you know that I started this mini project series where I'm trying to pump out as many design projects as I can, you know, trying to design every day and making a short form video series that I post on Instagram, boom, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. You know, you're already here, might as well check it out, you know what I'm saying? And in the last video I was designing my first design concept, which was this scrapbooking app that I prototyped in Figma, UI UX design, and boom, psych, bro, I did not finish that yet. You know, that's pretty much where I left off. Yeah, last video I couldn't really finish it because, you know, I was low-key procrastinating on the last vlog, you know what I'm saying? But I got it now, and if you guys didn't see the reels yet, check out the short form video, you know, if you can. So in this video, I'm gonna keep going strong with the design series, you know, try to design every day. We are entering the training arc, y'all. And here's a little bit of what I designed this past week. And the ultimate goal with this is just to pump out as much work to not only improve, but to also get more eyes on my work and hopefully get some more clients out of this, hopefully in the future. And I'm gonna keep doing the series, hopefully until I get a job. Who knows how long that could take, bro? Like a month, 5 months, a year? Please not a year, bro, please. I need that job, yo. And if you guys saw the title, you know, I gotta come clean. Spoiler, I don't actually live in LA. I was just visiting my girlfriend, and you know, every month we go and visit each other in our respective cities. And I got to visit the city and explore LA and see what it has to offer, you know, it's pretty fired. And coincidentally, when I was there, my friend Nicole messaged me and Sally about the creator and YouTuber Ashley Alexander was hosting a Matcha Popup. It's a video.
Oh. After starting this mini project series, I've come to notice how many design apps I have to use to make one single design. Fonts in one, mockups in another. Each one comes with their own app, and each one comes with their own monthly subscription. And honestly, it adds up fast. 10 different subscriptions just to stay creative? Oh, no, And that's where Kittl comes in to completely redefine the design process. Kittl is an all-in-one design platform that brings together everything you need. With over 1,200 premium fonts, stock images, mockups, and templates, Kittl is a powerful browser-based editor with no downloads and no installs required, letting you brainstorm and present and collect feedback without leaving the platform. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, Kittl is so intuitive that anyone can jump in and start creating professional level designs from day one. And it's not just for solo creators. Kittl's built-in collaboration tools make it easy to brainstorm, present ideas, and collect feedback all in one place. Perfect for teams or remote projects. With over 7 million users worldwide, it's clear that creators everywhere are using Kittl to simplify their workflow and work smarter. So if you're ready to transform your design process, try out Kittl today. Or use the link in the description using promo code HeyKaioYT for 25% off all Kittl subscriptions for new users. And with that being said, keep on designing.
Hi.
nuggets for lunch. Very decadent food, I gotta say. So now I wanted to introduce my next project that I've been working on, and this one's gonna be more like a case study rather than like a short like feature showcase, which is what I've been doing with the last couple of posts. Those ones were just like a little snippet of what could be an app, but this next one, I do want to add a new case study to my portfolio, one that's just a personal project, not like the ones I did in university with a team, to just show like what I can do on my own, since I am planning to do freelance once I get some eyes on my work. I started out with some sketches, you know what I'm saying, fleshing out the characters and the little interactions, you know, and I got the idea from the downfall of Duolingo recently, after they announced that they're going to be an AI first company. You know, everyone loves that, you know, and then I got the crazy idea, you know, what if I make a language learning app? And then I thought to flip the Duolingo script on its head and make an app that really showcases creativity, animation, and like storytelling. And I want it to be like a more immersive app where it feels like you're in this environment interacting with these characters and learning through context clues in like the conversations and stuff. And a boom, whoa, I'll put it on the screen so it looks better. You know, I made the cast, you know, just a couple of little dudes, you know what I'm saying, very influenced by Smiling Friends, you know what I'm saying, for the art style. You know, I wanted it to be like a little goofy, a little playful, you know. I added some like initial interactions that I'm gonna do, and my idea is like an immersive animation with the people interacting. It's low-key like those video games that like a video, but and then you could play through the video through like different branches, kind of like the Black Mirror Bandersnatch episode, you know, where you can choose how to interact with the storyline in different ways. We'll see how that goes. You know, that would mean that I'll have to animate the characters and make like cutscenes and stuff. That gonna be a lot of work, and I might have to use like After Effects, Adobe After Effects. I have nightmares from that, from taking motion graphics class in university. That was definitely one of the most challenging design classes I ever took. Oh, give me a chicken nugget right now, bro. But since it is UI UX, I do want to keep a majority of it on Figma, so I want to see like what I can do on Figma if I could really animate on there. That's the plan. Stay tuned. I'll be posting it on the short form social media series, and you guys can keep up with it. So yeah, I'm gonna get working on it, try to transfer the sketches onto Illustrator to get a more vectorized character so I can animate them, see what's going on with that. Gotta finish these chicken nuggets, bro. He hit him. Why'd he do that? Get along, guys. I've never heard of this before. It's like the head meat of the cow.
This is like the OG spot, y'all.
I think they're fiending for more. We got 2 more. Hey, what's going on? It's me again. Wrapping up the video once again. I'm posting this on Monday, which means I got a whole nother week of doing these projects every day. And I think I'm gonna rename the name of the mini series, because I named the series Designing Every Day Until I Get a Job. I slapped today on there at the end after when I was editing, just because it was a catchier title, but then I low-key started following it and like was pressured into making a video every day. Crazy how that happens. Yeah, that wasn't the plan. I think if I did that, I would definitely burn out. I was burning out, you know, doing it every day. I don't know why I was obeying these random words that I typed in without really thinking about it. From now on, I'm gonna be calling it Designing Something Until I Get a Job. So it'll be like day 7 of designing something until I get a job, you know what I'm saying? That kind of has a similar vibe, you know, but it's less crazy. Oh my god. But it's a good thing. It's a good thing. I'm a designer. I'm supposed to be designing, right? I love designing. I love designing. Cool stuff is on its way. You know, the series will be on short form media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. It's always interesting. Different videos do better on the different sites. TikTok likes the more personal, relatable, more raw stuff. YouTube Shorts likes the more engaging and like fast-paced editing style videos. And Instagram don't like anything, bro. Like Instagram is the hardest one. What the heck? You get no views. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. I'm gonna design something. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. If you like this video, check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, bro. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. Don't be thinking I forget. I never forget. Never, never, never. All right. See you guys next video. Peace.